Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Mishra. Now I will help you to wire the servo slider project. So here you can see I have opened the Visiono, an visual Arduino programming interface software designed by Mito, and here you can see a red button. We will close this serial terminal to maximize the design area, and now here we have our design area. Now you can see there is a Arduino Uno. By default it is seen on the screen, and you can double click on this Arduino Uno to select your favorite or the project board that you want to use. By default I am using Arduino Nano, so I don't need to select any other board, and we will surely proceed towards our aim. So you can see on the right hand side there is a search box for the components. In this search box we will use a next-gen display, so we type next and you can see the display appears. Now you have to drag and drop this in the design area. So we simply drag it to the design area and here it appears. Now we also want a servo, so we can go ahead and take a servo and drag into the design area. Now as you are well familiar that we are using a slider to drive the servo, so in the next gen display we double click over the next gen and select a slider. Here you can see an elements editor window is popped up, so there is a slider in it. You have to drag and drop the slider to add it in the next gen display. So here on the right hand side you also see its attribute table, where H0 is its element name and minimum and maximum values is from 0 to 100, where you can slide the slider from 0 to 100 to move the servo. Now you can close this element editor. You can see under the next gen display folder, you can see the next gen display folder, there is an element known as slider 1. So that's what we are intended to get, and now we will connect this serial out of this next gen display to the serial of Arduino Uno. This is what we are having a connection between the serial ports of both the next gen display and Arduino Uno. The TX goes to RX and RX goes to TX in the circuit schematics. Similarly here, out of the next gen display goes to the input of the serial Arduino Uno. Now it is pretty clear from here that our slider needs to be driven by our servo, so we can connect the out of this element slider into the input of this servo, and the control pin of this servo is connected to the digital pin 2 of Arduino Uno. It is pretty simple project that doesn't need so much wiring, and it's all that we need. So we can now upload the code in the board by opening this Arduino IDE, and here you can see the sketch is generated. Now you can select the proper board and port from here by plugging in the Arduino Uno in the USB of your computer. After that we will compile and upload the code from here. That's all from the Visiono part of this project. It is a fairly simple project, so you can go ahead and check it out.